Hey Logan, I'm doing your monthly check-in, so we're just gonna look over your lifting plan. I actually set some of your weights for you for this last, or not for week 4, you still got a couple days going, but for your deload week to make sure you don't overshoot, I set those weights for you to keep it really light and simple, perfect form. Glad to see that the plan, you used it really well, honestly, compared to most people who just start, where you were progressing slightly every week over here. Let me make this screen bigger. You're progressing slightly every single week on here. You're doing good with like gauging how heavy you were going each week, which was awesome. Like increasing 5 to 10 pounds, that's perfect. Most people would kind of jump the gun way too much, but you did really good. So that's awesome to see that you were able to use this plan effectively. Um, Looking over some stuff like other things you put, like I saw on the one day that your 90-90 hip rotations, those are hard for you. That's why we're doing them, because your hips are so fucking tight. So doing those are gonna help you out a lot. Um, but yeah, I set those weights for you. If you ever have any things like, if you compile those videos you take every single month, and paste them right here, I can then look them over in this video recap and give you some pointers. I'll do that every 4 weeks. So next recap, if you want to throw that in there, let's do that. I think besides that, everything looks good. I don't have any videos to look over, so I can't correct your form at all, but you used the plan greatly, increased your weight every single week. I don't know if you hit any PRs, but your form got a lot better. Weight kept going up every single week, so that's awesome. I don't know if you were using this right here for your body weight. That you could use it for that, but what that's for is the weights when I set them for you, as you see in your deload. Now I got your weights for your lifts. If you want to put your body weight up here, you can put that in the beginning of every week so you can see that. But yeah, besides that, that's pretty much everything. Looks like you did great. We'll have a new plan after your deload week and after you finish this. So let me know what day exactly. So I need some things from you. Send them in the Discord so that I can build on that. So I need you to write these things down. A lot of people forget when I fucking say these things. I need from you what day you're gonna finish this program. So this week and then your deload, what day you'll be done, so that I can get started on your next program. Be prepared for that. And then let me know what exercise you really enjoyed and you want to keep building on. What you thought helped you a lot. Like say on your squats, do you think tempo squats? Or I don't even know if you were doing pause squats. I think. Let me know if you'd like pause squats or if we should change it up to a different kind of. Yep, you're doing tempo squats. So we'll probably change it up to a different kind of exercise. Tempo squats is good though. Let me know if you really like certain exercises. We're going to keep doing those. If you really hated certain exercises like Bulgarian split squats or something, we can change those out, even though they do work. But I want you to have a workout plan you like. But yeah, besides that, you did great. So yeah, let me know things you like, things you don't like, what day you're going to be done with the whole program after your deload. And I think that's it, man. And if you want to throw some more videos and throw the next check-in so I can look those over for you, that'd be great. But yeah, I think that's all. Good shit, man.